This fun and easy to learn game is called Sticks, a card game where you try to collect the cards listed on your stick. Sticks is a game that can be played with 2 players, but best played with more. We include 4 packs of cards so that you can easily play with 6 to 7 players. If you need more, just add another deck of cards. There are 45 different sticks included in this bag. 41 of them all are different rounds, and then 4 are free. Don't worry about the numbers on the bottom of the stick. Those are just there so that you can keep them organized and find out which one might be missing.
In this game, 2s and jokers are the wild cards.
Unless a stick says otherwise, a run is considered 3 cards, and a set is considered 3 cards as well. To begin, you're going to deal 15 cards to each player. After that, every player will pull a different stick out of the bag. Depending how you want to play, you can either reveal this stick to everyone so they know what you are collecting, or keep it to yourself and make it a little bit more of a challenging game. Each stick will have its own set of goals that you're trying to accomplish in that round. Some sticks are easy, some sticks are hard. It's really just the luck of the draw. If you draw a stick that says free, that counts towards your 7. Draw another stick and keep playing. Once you have the cards required to finish a stick, lay them down in front of you on your turn. After that, you can get rid of the rest of your hand by playing onto those piles or anyone else's who has also already put their cards down.
To end your turn, you must discard a card from your hand.
The round is over once one player gets rid of all the cards in their hand. When the round finishes, everyone that completed a stick picks a new one from the bag. Anybody who did not complete one keeps that stick.
Play will continue with these rounds until one player completes 7 sticks and wins the game.
And those are the basic rules of Sticks, so have fun.